Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to join anyone on Roblox without being their friends. For that, open up your browser and search for Roblox, and on the searching bar on the top search for a random name, and then make sure that you search for people in people. Now to join them, they should be online and they should be playing games. If they are playing games and they are online, then if you click on their profile, you will see an option of join just left to the message. But in case of offline, that doesn't show. So find the people who is online and playing game, and you can easily join their game. So in this very easy step, you can join anyone on Roblox without being their friends. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.